What's up, guys? Welcome back. This weekend we're gonna be heading to Tigerton MX to do a little motocross race. Right now we're at my place. I rebuilt my track, made it into a pit bike track, so we're gonna hit a few jumps for you guys. What do you think, Dylan? Yeah, guys, I just got up here. 3-hour drive. We're getting the miles back on the truck, getting videos out for you guys. Yeah, Adam redid this whole track here, and he's gonna give us a little tour around the new track. So we're gonna give you guys a jump by jump, rhythm by rhythm tour of the track. AP, what's this first? This first one's supposed to be like a supercross finish line double. I don't know, this is probably like 40-foot gap on a 110. That's pretty... 40 feet, dude. Getting a little close there. So coming out of the 35-foot double, 35-foot double, you got a right swing corner into this nice rhythm of 2 doubles. Pretty steep double-double. This used to be a step-on, step-off. The suspension ain't really the best on these things, so you couldn't step off. After the double-doubles, explain to us what's next. We got some big bank corners, as steep as you can make them. Followed into some whoops. These things are pretty fun. You can either wheelie all the way through them or you can get double, double, double. Okay. Hopefully we'll see Dylan go double, double, double. Oof. This guy just always has to make everything look easy. And he's ripping. That's fun. Woo! There you have it. A couple laps around the Peterson compound. Yeah, look, that was good. Fast lines. Till tomorrow morning? I don't know. We might do some more stuff today. You go do a backflip. Oh, okay. Just nonchalant backflip? Yeah. Let's try it. Yeah, I guess. Like, literally again. Here he is. Just, yeah, I'll just do a backflip. Straight up, guys. Straight to the moon. It's going for it. Oh! Never mind. Oh! That one felt so slow. I think it was pretty slow. Or like low too. Kind of seeing stars. Crunch time. We have everything loaded up. We need to get groceries. We need to pick up Rao, Stork, Zach, Brody, Jace. We need to load up more bikes, and we have to be on the road at 9 o'clock. We got 1 hour. Let's go. Yeah, rewind to last night. The other clowns got a little rowdy. Bro, what's your race prediction for tomorrow?
8 a.m. The wheels are hitting. We're going.
Wheels up, 8 a.m. We're heading to Tigerton for racing.
Yeah, bitch, so
that's water.
Shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you.
Somehow this always seems to happen. Pick them up.
Boys, we're going racing.
Let's go racing, boys.
8 a.m. sharp.
How you feeling today?
I'm pretty drunk yet.
Alright, what do we think? Got to Tigerton? We're all set up here. We're gonna go see if we can sign up for some races. I don't have a District 16 card, so we'll see how that goes. Okay. I'll see how these guys do bike work. Okay.
podium machine.
Fifth place. It is hot out.
Yeah. Looking good though.
Felt okay. I don't know. Screwed up quite a few corners, but we're just out there for fun.
Night race coming up.
Yeah, we're coming up on the finals. Feeling good. Some fast guys out there. Gonna get my ass kicked, but we're having fun.
Morning everybody. Day 2 here at Tigerton. Adam's racing outdoors today, so should be cool. Big whips.
Got that. Woo! That's it for this weekend's DNA Films motocross team. We're a little weak. We got to sharpen our pencils a little bit, but we're coming back. We had a lot of fun this weekend. In like 2 weeks, we're going to be cross-trekking with 15 mopeds. Don't guarantee that because we got to find mopeds first. 100 likes on this video, and
Wow. We'll take your mother on a date.
That'd be really good for her, not so good. Or really good for me, not so good for her.
oh my god, bro.
I'm fucking
Like fucking speeches.
Okay, Raul.
I'm getting drunk.
Give me